Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Electro. What I'm working on today is this Pisla Detainer padlock. It is a currently ranked blue belt. It is a rear tensioning lock. So I'm going to try to pick it with rear tension. To me, sometimes it's a little bit harder to even pick with rear tension because it's a bit of a balancing act on everything. So you can get. Look, I'm going to go ahead and turn everything. Sorry. Clockwise. Get tips in. So I can get all the way to the back. Alright, that one's all the way to the back and it spins, so I've got to find just the first disc, tension it, and now I'm going to try to get my pick tip all the way back there. I think I'm there. Let's see. Alright, I think I'm ready. So now hopefully I got good tension. I'll check. Let's see. I slipped off the disc. Alright, there's the first disc. Freed up right there. Next disc. Oops, and I slipped off. Let's see. Let me go back, make sure I know where I'm at. And I slipped off again. This is why sometimes front tensioning may be a little bit easier. Alright. Just making sure I didn't mess up that second disc when it still feels free. So, well, maybe not. Oh, I was not on the right disc. Okay. Slipped off again. Freed up right there. Feels like a zero cut. Okay. Freed up there, and I slipped off again. And I believe we are. Alright. So even, it may be a rear tension and a rear tension tool. It may be quicker to pick with front tension just because of the slipping and stuff. Or let's say I have a different tip. So, alright, I'm going to pause, and I may be asking for punishment, but I'm going to switch over to a front tension in and see how that goes. Alright, so I think I got my tip set up right. Lock still does work, same lock. Let me go ahead and rotate everything clockwise. Let's go ahead and go all the way to the back. Find the first disc. We know this is rear tension, so this one should feel like a zero cut. And it does. Go to the next one. Felt it free up there, and I felt the core move just a little bit. Slight click there. That one feels gritty all the way. A little core movement when I went back to zero. Alright, I felt the disc free up there. Just slipped off the disc. Little click there. I'm at the front, so I'm gonna go all the way back to the back. Find that first disc. Counter rotate. Well, on the right disc? No, I was not on the right disc. Alright, core movement there. And we're open. So, a little bit easier to pick from the front, but as long as you go back to the back and tension off the right one. So that was the Pisla disc detainer lock. Alright, thanks for watching.